to NSR.ZW, the show with the most, where Tori be your host. Fashion forward, that's what this is. The name be Torikenna.
And I'm TAZZY. And first of all, man, I need to say, this is not my show. I just got invited and, female stuff, man. Anyway, what are we going to be talking about today?
We're going to be talking about how the fashion world has been put to a halt. Everything, including fashion week,
award season,
movie premieres. But in a true 21st century style, we kicked back with social media. As Fashion Forward, I'm going to be dissecting my favorite, and yours too, guys. We're going to be on their social medias, inspecting thoroughly their makeup efforts.
That's Instagram, Facebook, and that other one, Twitter.
Yeah, definitely. And, dressing. So, first of all, we're going to be starting with Jah Prayzah and the Jan Jam team.
Okay, this is looking amazing. First of all, this is style right there.
Definitely. I mean, look at how they're just all pulling off the suits with the stripes. I love how they're putting on loafers. It's just giving a whole, I can be fun, but at the same time, I'm doing work stuff.
Okay, I'm not really liking how, Zviko Motsi is trying to blend different colors. As a guy, you need to limit your colors to 3. Don't be putting so many colors. I see the glasses, the shades are looking some type of way, and then he's got a purple tie, and then he's got blue socks. It's black with blue, and then the black again, and then the loafers another color. That's just not going for me. But the rest of the team, they're really pulling it off perfectly. And I love how Jah PrayzH is looking. Look at how it's more fun and being serious at the same time.
Yeah.
No socks and with the suit. That's looking nice.
And I love how they're just looking cozy up in there. Well done. To Jan Jam, you guys are really doing it. You're making these guys look clean.
Okay, what's next right there?
Next up, we have Ngarande. Jackie, I love how you are looking cozy in this outfit.
I mean, this is slaying right there.
Exactly. They should put her in the Slayers Hall of Fame.
I love it. I love the cap though. Like, the cap is looking nice.
Exactly. I love her nails, how they're just blending in with everything. The hair. And who cannot pull off a red lipstick look? She's looking good. Even though her head is down, we can tell that she's really pulling off the red lipstick.
I don't know. It's kind of like a shame that I can't see the bottom part though. Like,
bro,
hey.
No, she's representing.
Okay, who's next on the list then?
We have Shasha.
Snap. Shasha be looking nice in there all white.
I know, right? Guys, let's go to an all party with this girl. She be representing baby girl.
I love how the braids are just what's this thing? The beads?
Yeah, these are beads, and they're going with the floral on every detail. You can see how she did her makeup with that pink, and the pink is on her robe. It's just on. Everything is just on point with the white nails. Come on, girl, you are really doing this. But lockdown. But anyway, maybe this was taken Kutara.
Yeah, pretty much. I feel like it was taken before the lockdown, because I don't think she was gonna be one of those people who's gonna, try to break the lockdown rules. But hey, the sneakers though,
baby girl, how's she gonna wash those? Yeah. Good luck.
Hey, give me some advice right there.
Next up, we're going to Misred. Happy belated birthday, mama. She was looking on point with that Cinderella vibes lost in her phone.
It's amazing. I feel like blue is a color.
Yeah.
I feel like blue is a color.
She looks calm in there, and it's just looking so beautiful. She's looking beautiful. She's glowing. And please tell us who your godmother is, madam.
Maleficent.
Why would you say that?
I mean, it's a nice movie, man.
Yeah, definitely it is a nice movie.
Yeah. So who we got next, though?
Winky D and that performance that he did.
The performance was amazing, but we're not going to be talking about the performance, though. I mean, this is fashion, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, that's my show. You're not trying to steal from my show. That's my show. Right?
Big boy.
Yeah, okay.
We're talking about money high suit. Like, he really pulled this off. But I don't know, Balakavam Dara, what is it doing there? Okay, it's going with the money heist theme.
But I feel like if you won the what you call it, the mask
yes,
on this picture, it would have like really popped up more. But yeah.
No, like he's always neat, everything on point. But balaclava, yo.
Madrid's are one day, sir. Madrid's are one. Pesa ni maru. Pesa ni maru. I'm para ka simba pesu.
You have to go there.
About bo. Chimbo kata Madrid's. But hey, there's this one with the soup. Lorraine Guyo. Yeah, she's looking amazing though.
Yeah, she's looking amazing. Like, look how cozy she is with the baby blue and white. Guys, baby blue and white is really going together. I love how the sneakers are just making it look cozy and serious at the same time.
It's like the sneakers are like the cozy part of the work suit situation. Because I feel like I see a lot of ladies when they're wearing heels and they're struggling with it. And
heels
like,
are tiring.
But yeah, I like it. Hey, how's that? I'm now sounding more like I know about females. Hey. Get out of here, man. Okay, so who are we gonna put on our fashion nuts?
Who do you think we should? I think we should go to Madam Boss.
Madam Boss this week wasn't representing, man. I like how she was.
She's always on every time. Like, I remember at the Namas.
Oh yeah, at the Namas,
that outfit was amazing. She really went all out on that Asian look. Yeah, she looks like she's working at this point or something. But come on,
I'm better, boys.
Get out of here. Stop it. Like, the jeans, the ripped jean is on at this point and it's very nice, but I don't know, she could have represented however else.
Okay, ripped jeans, I get it. It's on summertime and whatever, but this is now we're getting to winter though. Like, isn't that like sending mixed signals? Shouldn't they like be putting winter wear now?
Representing.
Exactly.
Yeah, definitely.
Chando moms, Madam Boss, Chando.
Alright, thank you guys for listening to my show. Please like, subscribe, and share. Tell your friend to tell a friend.
Hey, don't forget to also tune in to Entertainment with your boy TAZZY.
Yes, sir.
Goofy is the host.
We're out of here, man.
Hey, this is Fashion 4. Out.